Today I'm showing off a new way to wash your car. And all you need is some microfiber towels, a spray bottle, and this waterless wash system from Chemical Guys. Now I came across this stuff when I was looking for some biodegradable soap. Where I live, there's a lot of worry about water contamination in a nearby river and a lagoon and a lake. And one of the things that was suggested for the county is to use biodegradable soap for your car when you wash your car. Looking it up online, this is one of the first things that I came across, and it said waterless, which I was super shocked by. And it really is. It's you don't need to spray your car. You don't need to fill up a bucket. All you need is a little bit of water in a bottle that you spray directly on and you wipe it off. I wouldn't say it's the best stuff in the world out there, but it does have some wax to it, so it acts as a protectant after you wash the car. But the best thing about it is you need no water. You can literally do your car right here in your garage. Thank goodness I don't live in a state where there's ever any snow or salt on the roads, but if you live up in the north or in the Midwest, anywhere where there's snow and you don't get to wash your car regularly, you're worried about salt buildup, this is a great option because all you gotta do is come here, spray your car, wipe it down, buff it out. In your own garage, in the wintertime, whenever you want. It's pretty good all around, and I'll show the results of it and use it on washing the Jeep. Now all you gotta do is put 1 ounce into a bottle like this, fill the rest up with water, shake it up, and you're good to go. I used 1.5 16-ounce bottles on the Tundra, which is a pretty big vehicle, and I'm gonna see how many it takes here on the Jeep. One of my biggest concerns also was how well it cleans the wheels, because you normally need a lot of water for that, but I'm gonna demonstrate that. It does a pretty good job. For the number of microfiber towels, I used 6 for the Tundra. I'm gonna try to use the same amount for the Jeep. I recommend don't buy these from Chemical Guys. I'll put a link to where you can get a pack of a dozen for way cheaper. All right, here's a close-up look right here. You can see how dirty it is. There's my smiley face. Something I found that helps is if you fold them before, you get 8 wiping surfaces. So looking up close now, you see it's not perfect, but got a lot of that dirt off of there. Don't see any more coming off of my finger compared to over here where we haven't cleaned yet. All right, here it is, a before of the wheels. Now here's a look after. Say from here, I'm just gonna give it some tire shine. Alright, so I just did a wipe here on the front. The worst part is that it does not do a great job of getting all these bugs right here. All of these areas, I already did a wipe. You're really gonna have to scrub to get these off. This is where a regular soap and sponge is gonna be better off. And here is a final look at the Jeep. Ended up using almost a full 16-ounce bottle and used 5 rags altogether. And again, to recap the good things about it, you need minimal supplies. You can do it in your garage. You don't need any water. Gives a good shine, leaves a light layer of wax for protection. The not so good things are, again, the bugs. It dries quickly. Soap is a better wash overall, and it does take a while to do the entire car. But give it a look, give it a try. Overall, I like it. It's a great solution to using a whole lot of water every time you wash your car.